Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. Today I'm going to be filming some simple, easy hairstyles that you can do on curly hair. I wish you guys could see my setup because it's just hilarious, but maybe another time. But I'm going to get right into it, and thank you for tuning in again. This hairstyle is my go-to if I don't want to have my hair done all day. Once I put in a ponytail, I like to mainly put most of my hair to the front or move it around until I get my desired look. I love this hairstyle because of how big and full my hair looks all day, and with some cute studs or hoops, you're good to go. For this look, I get tired of having bangs on my forehead all day, so I'll grab these cute bobby pins that I bought at Target last summer and place them in my hair once I twist both sides back. Once that's done, I'll fluff my curls out so my hair looks more volumized, and for the middle part, I don't really care if it's not straight. This classic messy bun is great for my lazy days. I grab a small beach and put my hair in a ponytail, and then I'll grab a bigger beach to put my hair in a bun. I like moving my curls around until I get the desired look I want. The messier the better. Put some studs or hoops in and you're good to go. If I don't want to put my hair in a high messy bun, I like to part my hair down the middle and twist them into a low messy bun. Once I put it in a low bun, I like to pull some curls out to give it a little messy look to it. This new one I discovered at home. My bangs are getting longer now, so I tend to keep my curls back or have little pieces out. I'll do a messy bun in this hairstyle and just wet my little curls in the front, and I'm good for the day. And that is all for today. Simple, quick, and easy hairstyles. Drop down below what's your favorite go-to hairstyle, especially for a lazy day. And now I have to wash this hair. Probably wet it again because it's not happy from doing all that. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.